Taiwan is an internal matter of China, and the U.S. should stop violating peace, stability across the Taiwan Strait, international experts have said.
Taiwan is, according to international law and according to the United Nations, is an internal matter of China. I have no doubt about this. And so it's very understandable that when China asks the United States and other countries to abide by international law when approaching Taiwan, and I think that's a very logical position that would help stabilize this region.
We see that the U.S. is still being belligerent about Taiwan. Again, you see the thread of what's happening. And all these are meant to create a crisis in the region. And of course to deflect the Taiwan issue. So I think it's responsible of the U.S. and they should own up and come and clean the mess that they have brought in the region.